Is Siri responding with text but not speaking out loud on your iPhone? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and iOS 26 gives you a few quick ways to fix it. Let's walk through them step by step so you can hear Siri's voice again in no time. First, return to your home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen, then open the Settings app. Now, activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." Once you see the Siri animation appear on the screen, press the volume up key. This will adjust Siri's individual volume, which is separate from your ringtone or media volume. So if Siri is too quiet, this should fix it right away. Next, check if your iPhone is in silent mode. If you're using the new action button, press and hold it. Then switch it to ring mode to make sure your phone isn't muted. In earlier models, just flip the ringer switch from mute to ring mode. Note that Siri won't speak if the phone is silenced. Now head back into Settings, scroll down, and tap Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri in newer models. From here, tap Voice, and then try selecting any from a few other voice styles and accents. Try tapping on one to preview it and confirm that your sound is working. Still nothing? Go back to the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri settings page and scroll down to tap Siri Responses. Here, make sure Prefer Spoken Responses is selected. This forces Siri to speak answers out loud instead of only showing them on the screen, especially when your phone is unlocked. Once that's done, test it by saying something like, "Hey Siri, what's 10 plus 10?" You should hear Siri say the answer out loud. Still no sound? Try to restart or soft reset your iPhone. Press and hold the side key and volume up key until the power slider appears. Swipe to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. And finally, check for software updates. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available iOS updates. Sometimes bugs like this are fixed in the latest version. And that's it. If this helped you get Siri talking again, give this video a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes and quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.